Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car features Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. Outside the car there's 17-inch alloy wheels, reverse parking sensors and tinted rear windows. Inside the car you've got the 7-inch touchscreen. Now this features DAB digital radio as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and full Bluetooth connectivity. You also get dual zone air conditioning and cruise control. So let's have a look around. So this car is one of the dealership's former demos, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.